Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use keyframes in CapCut PC. I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So you can open the CapCut PC apps and you can go to media and import your videos or photos you like to edit. So I'm just going to select this image. So to use keyframe, you can select the basic and upon a portion and size. You can find the keyframe button. Just click on it, and you can swipe to the right and click. And you can also zoom and rotate and etc. as you like. So you can swipe to the right again. You can adjust for the scale again. Change for the position like this. Swipe to the right. After you swipe, there is keyframe button appears. Alright, till the end of the video, you can change for the scale and budget. Yeah, that's it. You can see for the final result. So that's how you can use the keyframe and CapCut PC, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please write in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.